Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Anissa Caca Official. So, don't forget to subscribe and like dulu ya. Okay, the first, I will introduce myself. My name is Anissa Fitria Rahmawati, and I'm from Sidoarjo. And I'm standing here from my university, Unispa, especially the major is English education or English language. And today, I want to give you motivation from my Mom Kris, and the title is Dream. Oke, pengen tahu selanjutnya bagaimana? Follow me and let's check it out. Happy watching. Okay, talk about dream. Dream. The earth will dry with hot rain. So, we'll live with its incomplete with hot purpose. There is nothing wrong. Everyone is free to dream. Dream, dream, and dream. Maybe we'll be bored with the word dream. Bored because you are often disappointed. Why? Will I dream a lot? It will never happen. Indeed, dream is different from reality. But between dream and reality have a way. And today, I'm going to say that destiny can be changed. The chance is still infinite and the dream can come true. But all of that depends on one question. Can you do? You must be able to do. And I want you to remember this word. I must be able to do. Think about a dream that you won't get in your future. Whether it's owning a car or traveling, about or going on a pilgrimage or opening a business or building a happy small or family. Whether is it? All of you can get if your presence and try hard. I know it isn't easy. I could be that your dream was insulted by someone or upset. Okay, you're just a dreamer, but you're a winner, and you success gets your dream. You can do instead of saying, but you can give the ocular proof. Indeed, it won't be easy, but that is the reason why you have to take some action to get your dream. You will get trouble, challenge, and temptation. When you are doing that while complaining, you will be weak and found. When you are found, always fall stuck even the helps you. But you must realize it's just for you. You have to track it with rigidity. Violet, rise up. Violet, rise up again. There's violet and rise up again. Remember, your dream is your goal. Every trouble will pass as long as there is a hope that everything has a way. As long as you believe in Allah, nothing needs to be afraid. When storm comes in, I want you to say, I must be able to do. Not because they're not abstract, then you're optimist, but because you are optimist, you will dare to face all challenge. Not because it's easy, then you're sure you can. But because you believe you can, then it will be easy. Not because today is beautiful and you are happy, no. Because you are happy, then your days become more beautiful. Every dawn comes to you every time. You don't believe yourself, say it seriously in your heart. I believe I can achieve my dreams. I can take action. I can rise from failure. And I can with prayer. And I can with effort. And I certainly can be for the nation, family, and country. I certainly can. This message is for those of you who are struggling. Recently, I say that success is the right of people, but not everyone wants to fight. You are a winner. You are born a winner, but it all depends on one question. Can you do it? Okay. I have got motivation for you, and I hope you do not get discouraged and continue to reach your dream, to achieve your goals. I think enough for my video. The last I say, goodbye. See ya!